Carbs make you fat. Organic is better. True or false? Well, to answer that question, I recently went behind the closely guarded doors of the Good Housekeeping Research Institute in New York City. This is where scientists test thousands of products each year. They also test foods to help take the guesswork out of your shopping. So today we tackle the top diet myths with help from the nutrition team at Good Housekeeping. There is no shortage of advice on how to shrink your waist. No sugar, less carbs, more protein. The glutton of advice confuses us all.
I like to eat these for lunch.
But Samantha Cassidy is setting us straight. She's the nutrition director at the Good Housekeeping Research Institute. One of the most popular diet myths, carbs make you fat. That's false.
If you're talking about things like ice cream, apple pie, cookies, then you know what? Yeah, they do make you fat. If you're talking about things like beans, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, then they're actually important in terms of controlling your weight.
Just remember to keep your carb portions in check. What about all calories are created equal? That too is false.
Calorie math is a funny thing because it is true that you will lose weight if you take in fewer calories than you're burning. On the other hand, the quality of those calories are really important to making or breaking your success.
So go for hunger-busting calories, things that are rich in protein and fiber. Those will fill you up and make it easier to lose weight. Here's another one. Organic foods are more nutritious. Definitely false. Organic is not synonymous with healthy. Something labeled organic means it's free of certain chemicals and artificial ingredients. It doesn't mean it's free of added sugars, fats, or white flour.
So if you're buying an organic cupcake, it's going to contribute to your muffin top just as equally as the cupcake in the aisle over.
And how about fat-free or diet foods are the best choice? You guessed it, that too is false.
Fat-free and diet is often code for I have extra sugar, because when they're removing the fat out of something, how are they making it taste good? They're adding sugar, they're adding salt.
Instead, look for foods that fill you up, like nuts or whole grain crackers with hummus, a good combo of fiber and protein. Finally, you can eat pizza when your diet is over. Maybe.
Think about pizza like your ex-boyfriend. It's fun when you visit with him, but as soon as you walk away, you remember why you broke up. It doesn't mean you can never see him again, but you have to commit to a certain way of eating.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, right?
That's a great analogy.
Well, my colleague Felicia joins us now. And Felicia, it's been a year since you hit your target weight.
Yeah, and you know, in this past year, it hasn't been easy trying to keep the weight off. You have your temptations out there, but like you said, you just have to remember to kind of get back on track.
Yeah, and so what I learned and what she was talking about is that your diet is a long-term commitment. You really, just like a marriage, you just have to find one that you can sustain for that long haul. And if you want to go visit the ex-boyfriend, you know, like the pizza slice of pizza, every once in a while say hello.
Yeah, it's a lifestyle change.
Yep.
It certainly has been for me. And Tiff, I know you also asked Cassidy, though, about the popular green juices, those fruit juices that everybody seems to be drinking.
Yeah, they think that they're a good way to detox. Well, there is no research that proves that they help your body get rid of toxins any more effectively or safely than your body already does. So that's one thing. And those green juices can have anywhere from 35 to 200 calories because some of what makes them so tasty is apple or pear juice.
Yeah.
So you could be loading up on a lot of extra calories and not even know it.
And a lot of extra sugar,
Yeah.
too. Even though it's natural sugar, it's still sugar.
sugar.
And Tiff, I'm excited about tomorrow because you're going to be talking about foods that actually help us look younger.
Yeah, I know. It's really interesting. I had no idea that some of these foods that we both like a lot, so I think you'll find it interesting,
That's
are
good.
kind of, you know, they help it a little bit.
The all-natural way?
Yes, the all-natural way. Todd?